How to apply a basic transition in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and place two clips on the timeline next to each other, either on the same video track or on separate tracks stacked vertically. Next, overlap the end of the first clip with the start of the second clip to create a transition zone. The length of the overlap determines the duration of your transition. Now, hover your cursor over the bottom left corner of the top clip and you will see a purple circle icon. Click on it and the wipe transition will be applied automatically. You can customize this transition from the right panel. Use the drop-down menu to choose other available transitions such as dissolve, slide, and more. These transitions help blend your clips together smoothly. Once selected, the transition will appear on the timeline as a colored section over the overlapped clips. You can also adjust the duration and properties of the transition by dragging its edges or modifying settings from the right panel. Preview your video to see how the transition looks and make any additional changes to get the desired effect. And that's it. Now you know how to apply a basic transition in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.